Dear children, let us begin the first exercise in number system. So here I have given you all the problems in a detailed manner. So first Roman letter is fill in the blanks. So here the numbers written in pencil will be the answer and the numbers written in the pen will be the question. Clear? Okay. So, what is the first question I have given here is minus 30 plus dash is equal to 60. That is, the meaning is to the number of minus 30, which number we have to add or subtract so that the final answer should be 60. So I have added 90, that is 90 minus 30 is 60, because in the question they have given minus, so the number we have to add should be greater. So I have taken 90, that is 90 minus 30 is 60. So that is the concept I have taught you in the previous video, that is if similar sign you have to add and put the same sign. If the sign is differ, you have to subtract and put the bigger number sign. So keep these two concepts in your mind and proceed with the exercise concept. Okay, clear? So here second sum, minus 95 plus dash is equal to minus 100. So minus 5 minus 95, that is add the numbers and put the same sign so that you will be getting minus 100. And same way, look into the third sum, minus 52 plus of minus. So plus of minus will become minus. Clear? Minus of minus will become plus. Plus of minus will become minus. So minus 52 minus 52, that is equal to, both in the same sign, add and put the same sign. So minus 52 minus 52 is equal to minus 104. Okay, look into the fourth question, that is 22 plus of minus 22 equal to 0. That is plus of minus will become minus here. Plus of minus will become minus here, and plus 22 and minus 22 is equal to 0. That is identity concept. We have learned, that is same number with opposite symbol, one number in plus and another number in minus, the answer will be 0. So plus 22 and minus 22 will be 0. 140 plus of minus will become minus, so 140 minus 7 is equal to 70. So same way I have given you here for the 6th sum and 7th, 8th sum under the same concept. And look into the 9th and 10th sum. Here the bracket, that is associative concept, what we have learned you have to recall. Minus 3 plus 12 plus minus 77 is equal to dash plus minus 12 plus of minus 77. So what is the content means, in associative property, even though the bracket is changed, the value doesn't change. So minus 3 and minus 12, in the question they have given the bracket. For answer you have to take minus 12 and minus 77 separately, so that minus 3 will be the answer. So same concept for the 10th sum also. Okay, next get into the true or false. The additive inverse of minus 32 is minus 32. Whether it is true? No, because additive inverse is negative, means positive sign, positive means negative sign. So minus 32 additive inverse is plus 32. Therefore the answer is false. Minus 90 plus of minus 30. So plus of minus will become minus there. That is plus of minus will become minus here. So minus 90 minus 30 is equal to minus 120. So the given 60 is wrong. And third one, minus 25 plus 25 is equal to minus 100. Yes, bigger number is minus and small number is 25. So subtract and put the bigger number side. So 125 minus 25 is 100 and the bigger number sign is minus. So given answer is correct. So the condition is true. So it is 1 mark. That is first Roman, and second Roman is fill in the blanks and true or false. And third Roman letter we are getting into for the 2 marks question. So what is the first question means? 8 and minus 12 using the number line. Add the following. So generally what we will be doing, 8 minus 12 is equal to minus 4. 8 minus 12 is equal to minus 4. Subtract and put the bigger number sign. By doing the same sum in the number line, it is very simple. Start from 8, jump 12 units backwards. Since it is minus 12, jump 12 units backwards. If it is plus, jump forward. Clear? Keep that in your mind. So when you are jumping 12 units backwards, and the stopping point will be the final answer. While jumping 12 units backwards, minus 4, the arrow mark will stop at minus 4, so minus 4 will be the answer. Clear? And look into the third sum. Second sum I was given as an assignment, and third sum, minus 100 plus of minus 10. So plus of minus will become minus. So clear description I have given here. Plus of minus is minus, and minus 100 minus 10 is equal to same sign. So subtract and put this, add and put the same sign. So minus 100 minus 10 is equal to minus 110. Same way for the fourth sum, 20 plus of minus 72. So plus of minus will become minus. So here subtract and put the bigger number sign, because 20 is in plus and minus is in for 72. So subtract the lower number from the bigger number. So 72 minus 20 is 52, and the bigger number sign is minus, so minus 52. So that was the answer for third and fourth question. And fifth question I have given you as an assignment, and sixth question listen. Minus 48 plus of minus 15. So again plus of minus will become minus here. So 48 minus 15, so add and put the same sign. So 48 plus 15 is 63, minus sign you have to put. Clear? Okay. Now for fourth question, I read out the question from the book. Clear? Tain Meller appeared for competitive exam which has negative scoring of 1 mark for each incorrect answer. In paper 1, she answered 25 questions incorrectly, and paper 2, 13 questions incorrectly. Find the total reduction of marks. So this was the question. So look into the answer. So in paper 1, 25 questions she had answered wrongly, so negative marks. So 25 into negative marks means minus 1. So 25 into minus is equal to minus 25. And in paper 2, 13 questions she have answered wrongly. So 13 into minus 1 is minus 13. And the question is finally how many marks she have earned negatively, minusly. That is total is minus 25, and minus 13 should be added. So added means plus. So plus of minus, here plus of minus will become minus. So 25 minus minus 25 and minus 13, adding together you are getting minus 38. So the reduction mark is minus 38. Dear children, please take a note on all the sums. Take a note, take a reference of all the sum. So in this video you can write down the answer by pausing, and same way you can read out the questions repeatedly. Clear? Okay. Now listen here. Fifth sum I have given. I'll read out the fifth sum in book. Clear? In a quiz competition, team A scored plus 30 minus 20 and 0, and team B scored minus 20 0 plus 30 in 3 successive rounds. So which team will win? Can we say that we can add integers in any order? Yes, we can say, that is we can add integer in any way. So here team A is, score of team A is 30 minus 20 and 0. So add and subtract and put the bigger number sign. So 30 minus 20 is 10. So for team B, minus 20, 0, 30 was their score. So here also we are subtracting. Since minus and plus is there, you have to subtract and put the bigger number sign. So 30 minus 20 is 10. So what can you observe from the final answer? Both the answers are equal. So what we can conclude? Integers can be add or subtract in the any order. Clear? So while adding, you will be getting the same answer for integer. So that was the conclusion here. Okay. So next, sixth question I have given you as an assignment, and seventh question listen. Find 5 pairs of integers that add up to 2. Find 5 pairs of integers that add up to 2. So 5 pair of integers, that is any pair you can write, but you should get, while adding or subtracting, you should get the answer 2. So which number you can choose? 0 plus 2, 1 plus 1, 3 minus 1, 5 minus 3, 9 minus 7, any number that should give answer to while adding or subtracting. Clear? 4 minus 2, whatever it may be. Okay, so this was the sums they have given in exercise 1.1. so have a clear note. Please take a fair note and note down all the sums as I have written, so that it will be easy for you to recall everything. So assignment I have given. So third Roman letter second sum, fifth and seventh sum. So same concept, add and put the same sign, subtract and put the bigger number sign. And same way question number 6 or 11 plus 7 and these numbers are equal, and mention the properties. So this was your assignment. Please do it, and there will be a regular valuation. Clear? Okay, if you have any doubts you can ask me. Next exercise I'll share in the next video. Clear? So in this exercise what we have learned, we how to add or subtract the integers, and what concept you have to keep in your mind means, if the numbers are in the same sign, whether it may be in plus or it may be in minus, any 2 or 3 numbers in the same sign, you have to add them and put the particular sign. Same way, if any two numbers in different sign, that is plus of minus or minus of plus, what you have to do? Subtract and put the bigger number sign. So this was the only concept you have. I am repeating you again and again that we are using here. So same concept will be on exercise 1.2 also. So in the next video I'll share that exercise. Clear? Thank you.